Tim and I started the Cornish Seaweed Company in 2012, and we've really built up from nothing. We've built the business very organically, and we started out by kind of both just going harvesting and trying to learn about seaweeds, and building drying units to dry them all in, and renting a friend's bakery to package the seaweed at night time.
When we go out harvest on the boat, it's only 3 of us that go out. There's 2 divers and 1 person that stays on the boat. And it's a full day harvesting. It's quite intense. You have to go up and down all the time. And what we aim for, we collect about 150 to 250 kilos on a day. I think we're very privileged to work here at the Cornish coast because it's an absolutely stunning area, very unspoiled. It's got some of the cleanest waters in the world, with a lot of wildlife, including seals and basking sharks. Being out in the ocean is basically kind of what it's all about for me, really. Seaweed is absolutely amazing in more than just one way. It's a very sustainable resource. You don't need to use pesticides, fresh water, or cut down a forest to actually grow it or to harvest it. It grows a lot quicker than land plants as well, actually making a living out of the ocean in a sustainable way. It's just fantastic.